Today I'm going to speak to you about Haketia, the language of the Jews of northern Morocco. So what is Haketia? It is Moroccan Judeo-Spanish, and it is a Judeo-Spanish that is specific to this region of the world. That actually, in this language, we are able to see the migration and the hybrid and multiple identities that this community holds and negotiates on a daily basis. So Haketia is a language that was used in the home and that was used with people from the inner group. It's a language that's almost like a code to show others that we belong to this same inner societal group that knows the specific code languages, messages, references, and that way you actually create a sense of belonging even while being out, I would say, in the public sphere and surrounded by the majority culture.